Welcome to school too.
Open this door now.
Stop there!
Open this person. Come. Open this door. Open this door.
You said come down!
Sorry for waiting. This one.
Come down! I said come down! Come down! I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
This one.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm trying to avoid the water.
Can you mind?
I'm sorry. Oh, you avoided the water. I'm sorry.
If now you burn us, they say you kill us.
I'm sorry. I said I'm sorry.
If they say you break our leg now, we begin to walk out like this now. What do you for talk?
So this rich man, you just carry that.
They drive any here. Wow. See.
I'm so sorry.
See. You draw tattoo everywhere. All these rich men picking. I don't know. See, look at. See, fatty hair. Are you a mad woman?
Sorry. I'm sorry. So sorry.
If not for this interview, I be make.
Oh my God. I'm sorry.
Oh, when I God save you, that God. Where could they go? See, I God save you today. I they tell you now. See them. Now them be this.
Gentlemen and mademoiselle, daddy know say. Mommy shout my Joe, let's say, oh. Give me love, oh. Give me plenty love, oh yeah. I wanna dance, oh. So watch me weep and watch me na.
Come for interview. They call us for phone. Yes. Say we come for interview.
Today.
Yeah.
Now for phone they call us. God call. They say we could come. Yes. Now today we the interview. They say we could come. Okay. Thank you. Hi. Yes. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you. You see how?
Oh, this staff boss.
Correct staff boss. And this one will be enter the group.
What? Phone card?
What are you two doing here?
Apostle will hear of this.
Oh, you're here to fight.
You will end up in McDonald's.
I thought I said I'm sorry.
Now, madam, it is.
Yes.
What's the problem? Madam, you come for interview.
What?
Yes, for interview. You come for that job interview.
Yes.
You too?
Yes.
Sorry. We don't employ people like you in this company. No way, we can't take you guys. No way!
Madam.
You guys have no respect for women.
We can walk. See muscle.
No, I'm sorry. Come on, get out!
Hey.
No, we can't walk.
Get out! I don't want to see you.
Hey.
Take them out now! Get out!
We can walk. Hey. Open the door, they want you.
No, you say one punch you.
I tell you, I want you.
School 2.
Hey guys, my name is Alex Kuba. I'm an actor and keep watching School 2 Comedy.
School 2.